Do you know the difference between doing a regular gum therapy versus a laser gum therapy? Do you want to find out? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board certified periodontist, gum specialist, a dental specialist, and a dentist. Been practicing over 3 decades. One of the most common questions most of our patients and several of the people who are visiting our website they have is, hey, what is the difference, doc, between a regular gum therapy and the laser gum therapy? So I'm sitting by this laser machine. This thought came to my mind. I should do a video to explain to my patients about the difference between the regular gum therapy and the laser gum therapy. So this is my laser machine. I joke with my patient, this is my $100,000 monster. So this is how much it does cost actually to buy the machine. So when the patients are getting just a regular deep gum therapy, so as surgeons, what we normally do is to remove the tartar under the gum line after giving patients numbing and try to remove all the tartar and the plaque and all of that, try to clean the tooth around you for the tartar and the plaque. But in laser, not only we are going to do the deep gum therapy using the tartar removal and the plaque removal, but we are also going to pass the laser using the laser machine. So in addition to the deep gum therapy helping you to remove the tartar and the plaque and the bacteria, the laser is also going to pretty much help reduce the bacteria and decontaminate the area. So that's what we call it as a laser decontamination or the laser bacterial reduction. So those are the benefits of having the laser gum therapy in addition to the deep gum therapy. So those are the differences, and whether you're a good candidate for having a deep gum therapy or you're going to benefit from the laser gum therapy, talk to your dentist and they can help you. And if you happen to be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and if you're suffering from gum disease and you're looking for the best options, come see us at ToothHQ and we can definitely help you. Until next time, take care.